Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are looking at this kit from the Lollipopbox Club. I will put this as a gifted, as you know that this is sent to me for free because I'm part of the creative team for the Lollipopbox Club, and I'm so grateful for that opportunity, and I love it. I really love it. Anyway, without further ado, this kit is called a spoonful of sugar. So I believe this has been inspired with the vision of Mary Poppins. So let's get right to it and see what is included in this month's kit. So this is a beautiful postcard that Lisa sent. Oh, thanks. It's really nice. So that's gonna go in my journal again. It says, remember, you are powerful, beautiful, creative, and brave. Love it. I love that postcard. And along with the kit, as you know, it comes with a zine. So it has some things that you can cut out and put on your journals or your scrapbook layouts. You also have journal prompts that can guide you what to journal about for the month. It talks about the summer bargain sale that's been and gone, I believe, but also it has some kit ideas, what you can do with the kit, what can you create with it, and other various bits and pieces. And obviously Lisa also includes some recipe that we can try, that she's tried out, and we can try making it, and some sketch inspiration. So you know that I always cut this apart because I will take bits and pieces off it, and that's how I use my zine. I love this. It says, I love you very much. Now, do I cut this or do I not? Right, love the hard tissue paper, so I'm gonna try and save it and not rip it. Oh, how exciting. So you get a die cut, word die cut, perfect. And then anything can happen if you let it. Oh, I love this. This is created by Lisa. This is Lisa's artwork that is turned into a postcard or a journal card. I love that. Then you get a treat bag. You can see that the colors are like really Mary Poppins colors, blue and red. Okay, let's check in. There is something in here that I need to take out. There we are. Oh, so in this treat bag you get a sticker, a round sticker with some borders in it. That is beautiful. Get 2 red ribbons. This is so cute. Lovely. And some nice little stickers. Floral stick with floral botanical stickers. You also get a small journal card. That is really cute, and a cut apart card that you can use as a decoration for your journal layouts or your pages or your planner. Love that. You also get, oh, this is so cute. How cute is that? Wouldn't it be nice if there's a red heart in the middle and you can put that on your journal layout? That is so cute. And you get a lovely journal charm. It's like a heart biscuit. Let me just open that up so you can see it better. Look, how cute is that? It's like a little cookie. How cute. And then you get a pack of paper clips. There's 2 flamingos. Oh, it's so cute. And a penguin. It's lovely to use them. You know, when you have day trips out in zoos, in animal zoos, you can include that in your journal page. You also get a word sticker. Oh, and a doily. Or maybe a doily or 2. I think there's 2 in here. Yeah, lovely. Get a string. You get a little baggie that says love is sweet, please take a treat. Oh, I love it. That is so pretty. And then you get a packet of die cuts. Ooh. Right. Oh, how cute. Oh, let me just, oh, right. Right. Okay, so you get heart die cuts, a little doily card, a little umbrella. Oh, cute, that is so cute. Flowers and a bow and a kite. So remember, they fly a kite, isn't it, in Mary Poppins. I love the colors of this. Oh, I love that bow. That little cupcake, another heart, another kind of doily, and a little, oh, that is so cute. That penguin is so cute. And then you also get a sheet of stickers that actually matches what you have as die cut. And this is created by Mrs. Brimbos exclusively for the Lollipopbox Club. And then, I'm so excited to see this. The papers. Right, managed to open it. Oh, wow. I love it. You get 2 of each. Oh my goodness, I love this. Ooh. And another like contrast card. Oh, I love this. Oh my god. This is so pretty. So that's it, guys. This is the July kit, which is called Spoonful of Sugar. So can't wait to use this on a bit of a project, but I've got an idea, so let's see what we can do. All right, here is what I've done with my Spoonful of Sugar kit. I made some ATCs. If you want me to show you how I make my ATCs, let me know and I will do a tutorial. There's a lots of things that you can do with ATCs, or there's lots of ways you can create, but this has been a mixed media-ish type. So I used my brush shows ink powders to create a color background on a mixed media paper, and then used the bits and bobs from the kit. I literally just went to town with it. Let me go through. So I made a total of 9 cards. So I used a sticker, the word stickers, the cut apart washi in this one, and a Posca paint pen in gold. I took a bit of the doily here, glued a bit of the doily, used the sticker use that red ribbon. This is the cut apart card. Again, gold Posca paint pen. So yeah, this one's another cut apart card, stickers, gold paint pen. This is the little tag that was included in the kit with the red ribbon, and use the word sticker. Yeah, so lots of things. I even I used a black ink pen to create the borders. I think that finishes the cards, and I absolutely love this. I love the color scheme. I like, yeah, I'm dead I'm dead happy with what I've created. But and it would be good to use these in my journal. Send it to friends, because you can journal at the back really, or just keep it as a collection. Yeah, I've got a fair bit of ATCs I've collected over the years, from swaps and things that I've created. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. That's how I created or used my spoonful of sugar kit. Please do leave me a comment on the comment box below. So if you want me to do kind of like a process of how I make ATCs using Lollipopbox Club kits, or just generally ATCs really. So thank you so much for watching. I'm wishing you all a great week, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, because it does help my channel to be noticed. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Bye.